Ready, Joe.
Come here. Come here.
Get that worm.
Come here.
Don't be afraid of it. Just grab it.
He buried himself.
There you go.
Whoa, that's a big one. Look.
You're only going to use half of it. You're not going to use the whole thing.
I know, but he's big.
You got to do it. You got to do it.
I hit myself with a hook.
Careful of the hook. Okay. Take it.
Why me?
I know.
Moving.
I know. You just grab it, rip them in half, put the other half back in there.
Rip it back.
Tight. Pull tight. Oh.
I'm just crushing the limbs in his body.
I know. Just do it. Just do it. Ew.
Come in. Yay.
Okay. Good. All right.
Not really much of a half.
He's still two. So now take the piece that you need, and you're actually going to put him through the hook.
Where?
Careful of the hook.
Alright, little guy.
Piece that you need. Try doing the triple hook.
Alright, one.
Push him through. Bring another piece of him, like in the middle of his body.
Stop moving, you're killing me. Wait, oh, turn around.
And push it through. And then, yeah, there you go. Bring that part through. Good. And do another piece that'll stay on there.
Alright, well,
You just baited a hook, buddy.
We just
That's
have a
it.
giant piece of it.
All right.